Another way of living. Being ill is not another way of being healthy. And those who tell us that we are a cult have to understand the extent to which they have been brainwashed, that they are not able to see what we are talking about. We are the children of reason. We are not members of a cult. We are fascinated by the eternal questions of life, not by their eternal answers to which they are hanging on for the last 4,000 years, the last 2,000 years, for the last 1,000 years. They are the ones hanging on to the answers and ready to kill others because there is no agreement on the story that led them to their answer, or the logic that led them to their answer, or the lack of that logic. We have faith, but not in the irrational, but in the rational. Faith is an inadequate word to what we celebrate in the human identity. And what we celebrate in the human identity is our unique ability to use reason to get to what they call Satya and what we call fact, what we call truth. To simply repeat what M.N. Roy said, is simply the content of knowledge. How do we get to that knowledge, which is in fact fact and leads us to truth, is the method of reason. How they get to their Satya, their so-called transcendental truth, is not a method amenable to any human reasoning or understanding. Therefore, they would tell you that you will never understand. Therefore, they will invoke mysticism and tell you that that is how they got there. To their unique, to their personal, very often selfish interpretation of the reality of the world. How can we be like them? How are we part of their cult? We are free thinkers. We are ready to reject what we had agreed yesterday if new facts are opposed to that, if new evidence is presented to us. We have an open mind, they have an open head, and there is a very big difference because brains fall out when you have an open head. Faith, no. We have a philosophy of life. We do not have faith in that traditional sense. We have a philosophy of life. We are guided by reason, but we don't stop there. There is compassion. There is empathy. There is sympathy. There is a humanitarian element in what we do. Their religion and our non-religion. Their faith and our humanism.